All right. So we are alive again. Let's just make sure that okay, everything's supposed to be working. So let's just, yeah, continue working on the tutorial. I mean, where I left off from the previous stream. I was supposed to actually stream tomorrow, but I don't really have anything to do because it's still summer break, so I don't really have anything to do other than, sleep and stream. So yeah, I guess that's what I'm gonna be continuing working on. I mean, today I slept until like 12. Alright, so it's... and I went to sleep at like 1. So I might be still a bit tired, but hey, that's fine. Okay, let me just... before that, let me make sure that F, obviously, he knows that he should know there, and Vietman, we should see if he comes later on. But yeah, so last stream, so what I did is I basically expanded upon the area. I also kind of created, like, I guess, like different types of enemies. They're not exactly, I mean, it's still this, it's the same mesh. Jesus Christ, it took me a moment to yeah. But if I actually turn on the game, you can see they have different health bars indicating, uh, Jesus Christ, was it maybe smart to go streaming? I don't know, because I'm tired. Anyways, indicating what kind of health and what kind of enemy it is. So the blue ones, okay, I'm gonna die. So the blue ones are the easiest ones, the green one are harder, and the yellow ones are the hardest. So the yellow ones have the most health and deal the most damage. I can actually... okay, so right now I'm streaming to 0 people, but that's fine. I don't care. If I go to blueprints, I see I have these enemy hard and... okay. That sounded wrong, I'm sorry. Let's just do this. So if I go here and I can find... okay, there we go. So the easiest kind of enemy... Hello, Ashley. Yeah, sometimes it takes some time to update the... yeah, welcome to the stream. So I kind of said it, but I decided to stream today because I don't really have anything to do. I'm bored, so I just decided to stream. But yeah. I've invited F. I don't know where he is. He's offline, seems like it. But we will see if he enters the stream later on or not. But yeah, so today's stream I would like to kind of continue working on the actual I mean the area or the level that I'm working on. And one thing I would like to do is create like a turret. Wait, is that how you call it? Wait, hold on. I'm very tired. Yeah, it's called a turret. Yeah. And then this turret can then like also shoot you. Only if it comes into a specific area. Okay. Yeah. I was like, hold on, is it called a turret or not? Yes, it's a kind of this, right? But for the actual game, I'm just thinking of having like a level prototyping meshes. So just like a cylinder, right? Scale it up. Maybe something like this, right? And then the cylinder will be able to rotate towards the player and then being able to shoot you as well. So I think that can like add a bit of extra variations, I suppose. So that's kind of what I also want to do in this stream. Hopefully I will be able to implement this. So yeah, so that's kind of the... You should just make the next GT. Yeah. Uh-huh. It may be like 20 years, perhaps. if I start developing it today. We were... I'm still waiting for GTA 6. God knows how long that would take. Okay, so... Okay, Okay, what I can start with is creating an actual class. So, new C++ class. This will be an actor, basically. So next, and let's just call it turret. All right, now we gotta wait 5 years for Visual Studio to load. Okay. Still gotta wait a bit. Okay. Still waiting. Yeah, hopefully I purchased some RAM. And so it should hopefully arrive tomorrow. And no, shit, wrong, but okay, why did this hello? No. Wait, give me a sec. I used VS Code back when I tried Unreal Engine. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, I'll probably switch as well into VS Code. I'm not exactly sure, but Unreal Engine does need a lot of RAM. Hell, how? Give me a second here, please. I just... Oh shit! Wait, I think I think I messed up the Unreal Engine now completely. Hold on, uh, let's just do this. I think I shouldn't have turned off Visual Studio, because the thing is, I have like before I tried learning the Vim kind of keys and so on. But yeah, it didn't really go so well. I might try again, but who knows. And so I always forget to remove Vim, like the extension. Okay, so let's open these. Fine. And let's start again. So it's an actor. Are you shitting me? Oh, okay. Where? When did you use Unreal? How long ago was it? Maybe you can help me. You'll be able to help me a lot. Did you switch over to another game engine? There you go. No, it's not. You got bored? Ah, okay. So you like to, you know, create games completely from scratch then, I suppose. Like with SML, like what I did, that kind of stuff. Alright, so the turret will... okay, it's not gonna have any AI stuff. What it needs is... so first of all, it needs a sphere. Like, if we enter that sphere, then it should start like rotating towards the player and also, you know, shooting. So let's get, we need a reference to a sphere collision, right? I suppose. You properly, let's actually do this. Ah, yeah, okay. So what kind of stuff do you program right now, if I may ask? Properly edit. So class, I'm guessing something like this. Components. All right, and then it's also gonna need like a speed, right? How fast does it rotate towards the player? So edit, no, 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 no. Edit anywhere. So just a float rotate speed. It's also gonna need a reference to the actual bullet class, right? So that we can fire the bullet, and that's pretty much the same as in the enemy class. So I think I can just copy over that. Yeah, I also need the damage value, right? Yeah. So I can... oh, my control V isn't working. Shit. Right now I'm learning Rust. Oh yeah, right, you mentioned that you... oh, you finished Tetris. Oh, that's nice. That's great. So do you have any kind of maybe plans for like what you want to do next? Uh, let's see. I think the Vim kind of messed up my control V. So I just want to find... you know, let's just search it. The part that was most fun was implementing the GUI from scratch. Next I want to work on a first person. Ah, similar to Doom. I see. Okay, yeah, you got a big project ahead of you, probably. uh, Let's see. Yeah, I want to. Let's see. How do I customize shortcuts? Yeah, there's probably gonna be a lot of math if you're gonna create a render from scratch. Mm. There we go, and copy. No, no, no. Edit. No. If I can spell correctly, that would be nice. Copy. Move. Control C. Okay. So now I should be able to copy and paste correctly. Control C. Control V. There we go. Okay, so that's the damage. What did we say we want? Oh yeah, right. The reference to the bullet class so that we can spawn it. If I can actually find it, it should be somewhere here. Oh wait, no, no, no. That's I'm looking at the wrong thing. It's the actual character class, the actual main character that actually has the reference to the bullet. So here it is. Okay. Category is gameplay. Let's see. Okay, what more? I don't know. I think okay, for now this can be enough, right? Or actually no, we need a Now I'm wondering, should I have like a okay, so let's just create the sort of turret for now, just so I can see something. So we're gonna obviously have the cylinder, right? And let's just like scale it something like this. Should I have another cylinder on top of it? Let's just rotate it and scale it way down. While we're to use a game engine, I probably want to use an engine. But you interact with it only with code. Oh, that's that would be a pain in the ass, I'm sure. Like, should I have something like this? Right, I mean, I don't know how good this kind of looks. Oh god. Or should I have an actual like gun just attached to it? Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, like something like this. Let's see if I can scale it up. Because I feel like I don't know how smart is, because the player has the same gun as the turret. I don't know. It looks kind of goofy. I don't know. But I mean, the whole game is kind of goofy, to be fair. Whatever. It's whatever. You know what? I think we can have the gun, sort of. Yeah, I think this works. And then should I be able to should the turret be able to rotate the gun as well? I don't know. That seems like too much physics for me to handle. But whatever. Okay, but for starters, we can just make the turret kind of rotate itself towards the player. That's all I kind of want to do now. Yeah. So let's see. So this is the .h. Why can't I save? What the fuck? Oh my god, is it the same with them messing up my cuts? Wait, what? Oh, okay. Never mind. False alarm. Okay, so what's the first thing that we need to do? Well, let's actually look at the enemy and see what kind of they did. I mean, what I... this is what I followed the tutorial, so let me just kind of see what they did. Oh shit, this was me testing out something, which didn't work. Okay, I don't think that we need to do anything right now in the actual constructor. What I can do is copy this code, like set new rotation, because we will be using that as well. So I can just, you know, set new rotation, and then in the I was gonna study, but and we're gonna make food with those. Oh no. Well, you better make new potatoes then. Better go to the store and get new potatoes. Turret of CP. So set new rotation. Why is this? Excuse me. Oh, did I? Oh shit. Wrong class. Wrong class. Okay, we don't need that. So, selected, set new rotation. I mean, actually, it can be public, that's fine. Then enemy. So let's just set this current rotation. No, the data is fine. I just like to use hyperbolic words. All right. Let's see. So the current rotation. So it's gonna be equal to current rotation. And okay, so let's just set new rotation. However, it needs a reference to the target position, which is the actual player class. So I need to get the reference somehow. So let me just do you proper. Okay, if I can spell. Wait, oh. I just like how I have to have it. Oh my god, welcome to the stream. Yeah, I dislike how I have to make it case sensitive. That's the word I was looking for. Hello Vietman, welcome to the stream. See, this time it were actually before F. I don't know where F is yet. Okay, so what did I want to do? Yeah, visible anywhere. Actually, no. This is actually gonna be a private variable, right? Class monster. What did I name it? Monster shooter character, because that is the actual player reference. Then in here I have to make sure to include the actual monster shooter. Monster shooter character. There we go. And so let's see if I remember this. Get player character. Oh, no, I can't do that. Shit. How do I get a reference? Wait. Get world. Get player. No. Because there's this kind of default pawn class, and I was wondering if I can use that to get the no shit, the BP. But I guess I can't. Now, how do I say, what is the command to save just one file? Just like the file that I'm currently in. Keyboard. No, not even the. Ah, there we go. Okay, so I just reset everything. Okay, there we go. Wait, what was I supposed to be doing? All right, get the player reference. And how would I do that? Shit. I mean, I guess Google can always work. Get default player character from C++, actor, class, UI5. Yeah, there is. Wait, what? So if I do get world, get player, get first player controller, get first player controller, get pawn. Oh, get actor location. Okay, let me just let's try this. And current is just gonna be get actor location. Wait, no. God damn it. I'm completely wait. Player reference is gonna be equal to cast to monster to the character, the get world, get pawn. Alright, and then I can just do player reference pointer to incomplete class type. What? What in the hell? Wait, player ref. I think I know what the problem is. I just don't know how to fix it. Shit. Can I get like, I don't know. No? this should be a monster sugar. Right, yeah, there we go. Okay. So get actor look. Yes, I can do that. Okay. So let's build the project and see if we get any issues. I hope not, because I don't know how to fix them. Oh my god, is there anyone in stream even? Am I just talking to myself? Guess now we just gotta wait for it to build. Oh, there we go. What the fuck? Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Well, this is great. It literally crashed the engine as soon as I built it. Okay. Unhandled exception. Access violation. What the hell? Yeah, I don't know what this is. let's just try and opening it again. I have no clue what that error means. No. What? As soon as I build it. Okay, so that's probably something wrong with the... Let's try... Let's just remove this. Right, let's build it. Okay. And let's try and opening. Detected. Yeah. Store. Okay, whatever. Okay, at least we get the editor. Let's see. So I am guessing there's some issues when actually casting it into... I wonder why. Get world, get first. Can I not cast this? Is that the issue? What does get pawn return? Yeah, it returns a pawn. Okay. if I do, I don't know, what more can I do with it? Get is it maybe get character? I wonder what will happen with this. Alright, let's see. Will it crash the editor if I do this? And yes, okay, yes it will. Okay, how about I don't cast it? How about I just get like get actor, or actually get on, get actor location, right? So how about this? Actually, no, let's not even set the rotation. Let's actually just do this. Is equal to all right. And now let's start up Unreal Engine again. Should I not cast it here? Should I maybe cast it in the begin play, perhaps? Is that what the issue is? Content. Okay, and now let's just create the blueprint. So this will derive from the turret. The turret. All right. So let's just add a. Does it not have a cylinder? Oh, thank you. Yes, it does. Scale this up a bit. What kind of materials do we have? I actually just want the material that there we go. Yeah, whatever. This can just work. I don't care. And then we can delete whatever this is. I mean, what I created, and then just add this into here. Whatever, it doesn't really matter. Okay. So it does work. We do get the player location, and let's just double check that this is actually correct. So if we go to monster shooter, yeah, we can see a location minus 212 and 96. Okay. I'm gonna test out one more thing, and that is casting it in the begin play. Right now, if this crashes it as well, then I don't know. Okay, so let's just build this. And all right, okay, it didn't crash it. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. So what I can just do is, if I just do player reference get actor location dot toString and build this one more time. Build. Oh, build. There we go. Okay. And it works. Okay. All right. So that works. So we can comment it out, and then player ref. So let's see if this will correctly rotate. And what I can do is I can assign a static mesh. This will be the actual gun. And if we search for well, if we search for gun, there should be a. Let me just double check something. Or is it skeletal mesh? It sure is. And this will be a part of the cylinder. Okay, something like this, I suppose. And now, let's see if it rotates towards me. Yes, it does. Piss off, piss off, piss off, piss off. Yeah, you can see that it does rotate. No, oh no, we have F. Yes, welcome to the stream. And no, I will not. I shall not. No, thank you. Okay, wrong one. Should I leave? Well, it would be nice. No, just kidding, bro. Just kidding. Of course, no. Okay, however, I want the gun actually to be. Okay, I'll leave since you hate. Okay, yeah, guilt tripping me is not gonna work, brother. No, you can leave. Brother. Okay. How do I make the actual gun rotate? Actually, do I want the cylinder or the gun to rotate? I think, yeah, I think the cylinder is fine to rotate. And then, however, I want to make sure that the gun also is rotated. So let me just do something like this. Okay. Yeah, there we go. You can see that it is rotating towards me now. And it's actually... Just for now, we can delete the enemies in area 1. Because they will just get annoying as hell. And let's move the turret over here. Something like this. And there we go. So we have like a bit of a testing zone. Next thing that I will want to implement is I have this sphere component. So that means that it should only Jesus Christ, what did I want to say? Yeah, it should only rotate it once it comes into contact with this sphere. Collision. And this should be part of this cylinder. Hello? Hello, I'm gonna call you Noel? Noel? I hope that's fine. Hello, hello, hello. Or hello, I don't know how you want. Made so bad. No, it's alright, it's alright. I've gotta apologize, but to explain. I don't know. I don't know what you two have, what kind of problems you guys got. I'm not dealing with the drama that you guys have. I don't know how to help you, you know? Wait, why can I not find the... At least share some wisdom or sympathy. Brother. I don't know what you want me to do. Listen. I don't know, you guys need to figure out on your own. Search for us. Brother, I know who that is. I wasn't born yesterday, I swear to God. Let's see. So on hit, so this will be a turret. What? Yeah. Okay, there we go. So here we should actually call set new rotation, not in the tick function. Because it should only rotate it if it's inside this sphere. So what I can do... Why exactly? No, listen, bro, I'm not staring at the chat every single second, okay? What exactly do you know? Or, oh my god. Because you told me about it. There. Use sphere component text sphere. I stole for smash or pass. Pass. Because I'm not gay, perhaps. Is this not the components sphere component? Oh no, it is. Okay. Also opinions on the fair. I already knew that. And I already know that you are also a fanboy. It screams fanboy. Set radius, sphere radius, like, I don't know, 5. Name followed by, oh, a turret on a hit. Hello, welcome to the stream. How are you? What is going on? Well, there's a lot. So I'm working in Unreal Engine, which is a game engine. I don't know how much you know about programming or not, but yeah, welcome to the stream. If you have any further questions, you're more than welcome to ask them and so on. But yeah, I mean, in Unreal Engine, I'm working on like a turret, I suppose, so that it can shoot you. What are you making? So I've actually never used Unreal Engine before, so I've just started with Unreal Engine, and so I followed like a tutorial, and now I'm just expanding upon that tutorial, you know. So like I mentioned, like I'm adding this turret, which isn't part of the tutorial, and you know, and this way I can learn extra stuff and so on. So that's basically what I'm doing. Let's just delete this. She's trying to. Oh my god! Please, you're scaring away our new viewers. Please. So are you making a game to learn how? Yeah, pretty much. So I basically like followed a tutorial, and I'm using that as a starting point. And now I'm just kind of making like a little game, I suppose, so that I can, you know, learn on my own as well what every thing does and so on. And so right now what I'm doing is I'm creating like a sphere so that when the player collides with the sphere, it will like activate the rotating of the turret. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. And how about you? Are you a game developer, or like what do you kind of do as a hobby? If I may ask. Did I... Wait. Oh wait, hold on. Let's delete and create a new blueprint from the turret. Alright, so it has this, and then we're gonna add a static mesh, the cylinder. In fact, you can make turrets without a collision detecting sphere. You can use raycast. Yeah, but like I said, I've just started using Unreal Engine, so I don't know how do you work with raycasts and so on in Unreal Engine. How do I play this game? Even the game that I'm currently working on, well, you can't, because I'm working on it right now. Yeah. But I mean, if you if you're like into game development, you can actually make this on your own. You can just follow the tutorial. What is this all about? What do you mean? Like I already mentioned, so I'm not used to this engine, right? So I followed this game. Well, well, it's a very simple. You're just gonna yeah, you can play my previous game if you want to. So the player is just gonna start here, and then it's gonna have different areas and enemies, and then over there it's just gonna be the end. Ah, you know the game. Okay, I see. But yeah, so what this is, it's called Unreal Engine, and it's basically a game engine, right? That is used for creating games, basically. If you're probably familiar with the game Fortnite. So, for example, the game Fortnite was actually developed in Unreal Engine. And obviously, I'm gonna create the next Fortnite. No, I'm just kidding. YouTube randomly recommend. Ah, I see. Well, that's very good that YouTube is recommending my streams. But yeah, it's a very simple game because I have never used this, so I kind of wanted to start off simple, right? So it's just the player is gonna start here and it's gonna fight enemies, like different types of enemies, and then it's gonna end there, and that's gonna basically be the game. So it nothing too fancy. Is this Unreal Engine 4 or 5? This is 5, Unreal Engine 5, the latest version. Um, this is the sign for you. Yeah, of course. Alright, 200 should be... Actually, no, I'm gonna have to... Maybe 400. Yeah, I think this works. So, cylinder, we are gonna scale on... Not this... Or it would be cool if you learn Unreal Engine 4. What's the game gonna be about? This is not this game. All right, you won't be able to play because I'm not planning on releasing it. Because this game is just used for me to learn more about Unreal Engine. But yeah, like I just explained, so the player is gonna start like here, and is gonna basically just fight off a different amount of enemies and like turrets and so on, and it's gonna go through all this area and end up there, which is gonna be the end of the game. So this game is basically just for me to learn about Unreal Engine 4. I mean Unreal Engine 5, because I have never programmed or created any kind of game in this with this system. But then after this game, after I finished everything that I wanted to add, then I will actually start creating my own games in Unreal Engine 5. Which will hopefully be a lot of fun. But yeah. But yeah, welcome to the stream, Mr. Fish, as well. Bro, can you add me to Discord and like talk about stuff? Yeah, sure. What's your username? Or if you want, I have my own Discord server. If you can just, yeah, link in. Oh my god, look at F. Look at F. Yes, thank you, F. Okay, he's before me. So yeah, it's in my link in the description, and you can just join the Discord server, and then you can, if you want, you can just add me there as friends. So skeleton mesh, which is gonna be the gun. All right, compile, and now we can actually add into something like this. All right, so it does not rotate, which is good. It should only rotate if... Aha, okay. So it only rotates when I enter, but it should continue rotating while I'm inside as well. Okay, so that's actually something I've never done before, so... See, this is why I kind of created this, because I want to learn as much things as I want. On hit, let's see, is there... On component hit, on... So these are all the events. I joined? Okay, great. So you can just send me a friend request and I'll accept it, and then we can talk then off stream if you want and so on. Who are you? Well, I have the Edward role. I don't know. I'm the main guy in the stream. I'm in the Discord server. Wait, let's actually search this. So, component and overlap C++. UI5. I want to start game development. Should I start with Unity or Unreal Engine? Unity. 100%. Trust me. It is way, way easier. And you can create some really good games with Unity. Unreal Engine is... it's much more difficult, but you can have many more stuff in the game, like... But Unity is better. Even better than Godot, in my opinion. I also used to... Oh, Danny. Yeah. Yeah, we all know Danny. Yeah, I haven't... Danny, it was a long time since he posted, wasn't it? Jesus. He must be working on a AAA game from now on. But yeah, Unity. I would definitely recommend Unity. Well, hello, Cucumber. Welcome to the stream. So how are you guys? How are you? How am I? Well, I am actually doing great. So I've just started working on with Unreal Engine. So let me just copy over this code because I am such a great developer, and paste. And paste. Damn, I am so proud of myself. Okay. 8. Okay, begin overlap, and then sphere collision. Let's see. Oh shit. There we go. All right, let's build this and see if this will actually work. So I'm guessing the overlap will always return. True. No? Oh damn, we got a problem then. Oh hell, I remember trying to learn Godot. I couldn't figure it out and I deleted it. Yeah, I mean that's kind of a problem with pretty much all, with like all game engines. I'm a beginner with Unreal, but I don't know hardly anything about coding. I see. See, one good thing with Unreal Engine 5 is you don't actually need to know coding to like make a game in Unreal Engine 5. There's these things like called blueprints. I'm pretty sure you've heard of them right now because if you're following tutorials. And so it's like a visual scripting language. I subbed. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Thank you. But yeah, like I was saying, there's like, you don't actually need to know C++. Fun fact, no. Oh my god. Stop spreading fake news. It's fake, guys. Don't believe anything this guy says. Okay, please. just ignore just ignore this guy, all right? But yeah, so you don't actually need to know coding. But for me, I've like grown up with coding. I have been coding for so long I can't even remember when I started coding. So for me, it's actually easier to code in C++ than actually with blueprints. But this is actually what I followed the tutorial on, and then I just left it here because I mean, if it works, don't touch it, right? So yeah. Wait, okay, yeah. Where was I? Right. So I need um I need this to happen as long as, so we need to set the new rotation as long as we are colliding with the sphere. And now I started in 2014. I was 11, I think. It's not a fun fact. No, it's not. It's not really. No, exactly. Vietman has got a point. I wonder how I can do this. Here. What sort of game are you making? It's just a simple like FPS kind of mini shooter type. So, you know, the player just spawn here and then there's gonna be different enemies and also this turret which I'm trying to make, for God's sake, but it's been it's been a challenge to say the least. And so yeah, there's gonna be different like enemy types and you know different areas with more difficult and enemies and so on, and then the player will just end the game there. And so that's basically, so what I did because this is, I've also never been working in Unreal Engine 5. So what I did is I followed a tutorial, right? And then I just started expanding upon it, right? With my own stuff. So like I mentioned, like I'm adding this turret. I'm also adding like different types of enemies and so on. So that's a way for me to, you know, learn other stuff that wasn't in the tutorial. So yeah, mhm. What I can probably do, event called when something stops overlap. Um, so what I can have is like, um, oh shit, no. I added you to Discord. Yeah, I saw the notification. I will add you when I end the stream. So what I can do is when I begin overlapping, I can set a bool like start rotating. And then in my tick function, I can have as long as start rotating is equal to true, we can set the rotation. And then on end overlap, I can set that bool to false, right? Implementing an AI logic wouldn't be easier. So, you know what? Probably. Now that I think about it, probably. But oh well. You know, this is a way for me to also like learn different collision types and so on in Unreal Engine. When is it gonna happen? You mean when I end the stream? I don't know. I typically stream for like 2 hours or sometimes a bit more. And also, I forgot to mention, welcome to the stream, Stavros. Can I call you Stavros or Melidon? I don't know. How do you want me to call you? But yeah, welcome to the stream. So, okay, what I can do is the function and overlap. And I think all of these are probably the same. Then I can just create the definition. And in here, sphere collision on component and overlap. And if I can spell, that would be great. Do we have an error? Oh shit. Stavros is fine? Alright, just wondering. No instance of function matches the argument list. Alright, I think this calls for Google on component argument list. And doesn't help. Can I just have the Unreal Engine documentation, please? Wait, let me just go UA5 documentation C++. Let's see. On end overall, on component end, right? What is there no? Yikes. Working, creating. I had to learn C++ last year in school, but since I was traveling around the country most, wouldn't have enough time to wrap my head around it. Yeah, C++ is why the stream named as chill coding with music if there's no music? What? There is music. Is it too low? Oh god, okay. Let me increase it a bit then. Can you maybe hear it now a bit? Yeah, because I don't want the background music too high, because then you you won't be able to hear me. Okay, you can now. Okay. Is it maybe too loud now? Oh, well, okay, let's just leave it at this. It's a perfect one. Okay, so in my future streams, I will not be touching the... I won't be touching the slider anymore. Okay. But yeah, I mean, C++ is... There's a lot to wrap your head around, so I completely understand you. That's why I kind of... Yeah, if it works, then... yeah, pretty much. Alright, you know what? I won't be touching the music volume any longer. So I actually... when I started this, I mean, YouTube channel, right? I've actually worked on with Unity and C#. And so and then switching to C# to C++ isn't like that much, isn't so difficult. Obviously there's new syntax and there's a lot to take care of and so on, but it's not that huge of a difference than, say, I don't know, switching from Python or Rust or anything like that over to C++. So I had a bit easier time, you know, switching to C++, but that's just because I already had good experience with C# and so on. So just want to add that. But yes, can I just, I don't know, collision, okay, I think this components and collision. Blah blah blah. All of this stuff I don't need. I mean, this is kind of what I already added. Okay, this is just a bunch of nonsense. I can't even figure out what it's... no. No. Let's... But come on, is there no... Okay, if I just... Does it maybe not have any... Oh, I get... Okay, no, no, oh, come on. For a second there, I thought that it would... Shit. Matches the argument types or... what? Argument types are a turret. Okay, wait. most I know of coding is a little bit of Lua. Okay. After a few years. Don't worry about it too much, alright? It's fine. I mean, you know a lot, probably. Yeah, I remember I tried Lua as well, but it didn't. It didn't go well. Okay, there we go. So we do have some, actually. Okay, and let me just copy that over into here. And why is this a... No. Is it still an error? Oh my god. What? And component over. No. I'm gonna head out. Thanks for streaming, so I could actually have something to do instead of scroll. Okay. You're streaming. Thank you so much for the kind words. Listen, if you if you won't have anything to do tomorrow as well, I will also be streaming tomorrow around the same time. So, I mean, if you're gonna be bored, so I subbed. Thank you, appreciate it a lot. All right, brother. See ya. Nice. I listen. I just, I made sure that you knew. Thank you. All right. Well, hopefully I'll talk to you tomorrow then. I'll be all right. Good to know. Good to know. Oh my god. See ya. Alright, oh my god, no way. Okay. Thank you, this random guy on the internet. Okay. So in the tick, we can have just like a private rotating. And so if rotating. Just call set new rotation, or yeah. Set new rotation. And get back to rotation. Alright, I'm just gonna go on the bathroom, so I'll be right back, guys. Alright, so I am back. And let's see. Why are you trying to learn Unreal Engine? That's actually a great question. There's some people that actually asked me before as well. And it has more to do with the kind of the future, right? So I want to get a job in like a nice like triple A studio, and kind of having the experience of Unreal Engine will like immediately help, because there has been triple A games created with Unreal Engine. Now obviously, you know, massive studios have their own engines, like, but they're still made in C++. So having good knowledge of C++ and Unreal Engine will hopefully get me a bit further away than, for example, learning Godot, which mainly indie studios use. So that's kind of one of the reasons why I would like to learn Unreal Engine as soon as possible, so that I can add it to my resume, basically. So that's kind of, yeah, the reason. So, yeah, hopefully that kind of answers the question. Okay, and let's continue. So on begin overlap, we will actually set rotating is equal to true, and on end overlap we'll say rotating is. That's also this. Okay. And then on hit we don't actually need, so we can delete that. Okay, and let's actually just see if well, if this does what it's supposed to be doing. And let's also just increase the radius a bit more. Alright, maybe not a bit, but double. Okay. So let's see. Okay, there we go. So now it, as you can see, the turret or the cylinder, I guess for now, rotates. And if I exit out of the sphere, this should be enough, and you can see that it doesn't any longer rotate. Okay, now I just want the gun to kind of be on the same. Or what is the most greatest project? Okay, well, I have not developed a AAA game yet. No, but I mean I do kind of have some projects that I have developed on my own. I think one of the most, like, I guess proudest, because it took me the longest, is the latest game, which is called Blocky Brawl. So if you actually go to my YouTube, you can find the basically how I developed it, and you can also actually just play. If you have Windows, you can actually just play the game. It's a simple, like, 2D game where you try to survive as long as you can. It's called Blocky Brawls, so if you want, you can check that out. And I think that's kind of like my greatest project. Yeah, sure, because I didn't use any kind of engine, right? It's all like hand programmed from the rendering and everything. So yeah, that's kind of the project that I'm kind of most proud of as of right now. You know, you never know when things might change. Okay, and if we, there we go. Okay, now I kind of is there, I wonder if there's a way for me to get the distance from the cylinder and the, so that I can kind of have the gun rotate towards the player if it comes closer to me. That's kind of okay. So I think that's, I can do that next. So that will also have to be in the. If you're so good at coding, then why don't you work for a large company? Well, because I'm still going to school. Yeah, I have just had my 19th birthday literally a week ago. So I'm 19 right now and I'm still going to school. So that's why. But you know, let's hope I work for a large company. But I also have, you know, a dream of having my own company. I think that will be awesome one day. But before I have my own company, I wish to work a few years in an actual company so I can learn even more before starting my own. So yeah, that's kind of a little bit of a plan for the future. So let's see. If we are inside of the sphere, we should also let's actually rename this to inside sphere. Make it a bit easier. Inside sphere. You're still in school, or did that? The only coding I know is Minecraft command. Listen, yeah, Minecraft commands, that's... I mean, some people out there need those Minecraft commands. But hey, I mean, thank you for that. I'm just trying my best, you know. All right, so let's actually think about for a second how we're gonna do this. Hold on, let me. So let's actually write. Okay, so this is the player location, right? So we need to get the distance on the X and Y. So let's do that first. So we're gonna do distance is player get location minus get actor location. Okay, and let's just write this distance. So I just want to. Is this the final? No, no, I don't think so. I'm probably gonna add like a bit more stuff, but that's gonna be later on because right now I actually want to get the functionality of the turret down. But I don't think it's gonna be the final one. I mean, to be honest, I'm not really that good at modeling stuff. So yeah. Okay. So we have the distance. Okay, why does the Y? I mean, we only care about the X, right? Because that's the one that shows us how far away we are from it. Yes. So what I can do is just distance dot y is equal to 0 and distance dot z as well. Oh no, actually we do care. Yeah, because if the... Are you making the models in Blender? No. You don't you don't want me, bro. I would mess everything up in Blender. I'm not that great in Blender. No, I'm just making the turret like here, as it's just a cylinder with a gun attached to it. Okay, so yeah, we should actually, the Z should we should not set it to 0, because if the player jumps, we want the gun to still rotate even if the player has jumped. That's what we have to do. Next, we somehow need to yeah. Next we somehow, I don't know, I've never done this, so this will be fun. So control the yaw, right? No. The... Is it this one? No, no, no. It's... Wait, minus 90. Is it the... no, it's the roll. Yeah, okay. Can the rotation not go into negatives? Then I guess we can have it somewhere here. Yeah, but you know what? I think I'm actually gonna leave this for tomorrow because I think I've done enough for for one day. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream now because I'm getting hungry. And yeah, so I'm gonna be ending the stream here. Thank you so much for everyone that has come to the stream and all of the new fans of my YouTube channel. Thank you also as well for subscribing and being on the stream. And yes, like I mentioned previously to Cucumber, I guess I can call him that, I will also be streaming tomorrow. I mean, it's pretty much gonna be around this exact same time. No, thank you, sir. Thank you a lot. And yeah, I guess I can talk to you tomorrow then. Hopefully I will see all of you guys tomorrow as well, where we will be continuing working on the turret. You know, hopefully finishing it. And yeah, thank you so much and bye bye.